If you have issues with Hotspot not working properly on a Realme GT8 Pro, then here's what you can do. So first of all, we're gonna go to settings. Next, in here in settings, go to the mobile network, and of course we want to choose the personal hotspot. Once we go to the personal hotspot, the first thing that you can do is go to the hotspot settings. And for example, if you cannot connect to your hotspot on another device, then you can check to settings, the AP band over here. So for example, you might want to switch from 5 GHz to 2.4 GHz in order to make sure that it is more compatible with some other devices, especially older devices. And also we have the use Wi-Fi 6, which can of course not be supported on some other devices. So you might want to turn it off. Of course, Wi-Fi 6 is faster for when we are talking about the internet speed. But it is, of course, there's a chance that it is not compatible with your other device that you are trying to connect to. Also, we have the hide hotspot option, which also you might want to turn it off, just in case, of course, it is activated. You can change the password here and change the hotspot name to make it more recognizable and easier to enter, if that is something that you might need to do. And also, when the hotspot is enabled, you can generate a QR code over here. So if you can scan Wi-Fi QR codes on your other device, then you can do so, so you don't have to look for the network and you don't have to enter the password. And that is essentially all you can do in order to try to solve your issues with the hotspot. Also, we have the automatic turn off when no device is connected to your hotspot for 10 minutes. So if you need more time, then of course you can turn this option off, but then remember to deactivate the personal hotspot when you no longer need it to have it enabled. And yeah, that's pretty much it. Subscribe to my channel.